Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UAVS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30 minutes. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day in this one, not necessarily just today, but really the past few days. You look at all this volume, it's been gigantic, and you don't like to see what happened today. You know there's a bunch of people that just don't quite understand how things work. They were chasing the price when it was all the way up here. I mean, and that's what makes this savage, is price was exploding. You know, there was a bunch of, people that were buying up here, and then the price just got destroyed. So like I said, you don't like to see it. Some people hopefully learned a lesson today, but to those people, you're not alone. I've been there. Any honest trader or investor will say they've been there before. You just got to learn from it. But from a trading standpoint going forward, let's map out a very interesting pattern that, and I should say that this is not some sort of, I don't want to come across like I have some sort of special talent here or that nobody else has noticed this. In fact, it's quite the opposite. A lot of people have noticed this. And I bring that up because when a lot of people are watching the same exact thing and wondering the same exact thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some nice dynamics here. And the pattern that, like I said, a whole lot of people are going to be watching, myself included, is based on this first fact that there's a nice little uptrend right here. So let's actually get this changed to green to represent an uptrend. So the price is slowly and was slowly working its way higher and higher since basically all afternoon long. And then on the flip side of this, you have the other portion of this pattern right up here at this level, which we'll just call right around the $1.90 mark. You can round up to $2, but that general vicinity was a former area of support, and now it's just acting as resistance, and that's just classic technical analysis. When levels of support are broken, they tend to act as resistance like it did right there. But the point here being, lots of people are watching this pattern and wondering, can the price continue to trend up enough to eventually get a break of that level? Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that if $1.90 is broken, it's going straight up to $5. My point is that from a technical pattern, there's definitely some interesting stuff going on here. Now, this could all be wiped away if all of a sudden the price just crashes down through the lower trend line here. If that occurs, then at that point it would not be shocking to see the price revisit the pink line down here, which on my chart represents the 200 period moving average. But all in all, these are going to be the main technical levels to watch going forward. And like I said, a lot of people want to be watching these levels, so let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.